Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again. I ain't got to shot that AR yet, but I got something to show you. I had this thing for, I don't know, ever since I had that SKS Model M. I started buying AK-47 clips, magazines I mean, and I had this, at one time I had this whole thing filled up, and one of my friends kind of stole all the magazines from me, and I guess he got into drugs and shit, and pawned them. Well, here it is. This thing right here looks brand new, barely been used. Had it for over 20 years. When I bought that AR, I started utilizing this thing again. Yeah, this is nice. I get to reuse it. An old thing that I had forever, hung up in my gun cabinet. I don't know how long. It's got a shoulder strap. It's adjustable. See? I had this thing forever, and it's got a place for 6 of them. 6 magazines. You can put magazines right in here on this side and on that side. Well, I bought the AR-15, and now I could reuse this again. And put it on this side. I can just go to the range, pull a magazine out, pop it up in there. I wish I had the AK-47 clips that I had stuffed off in this thing, but that's okay. One of them was fully loaded, and he took my rounds and everything. Well, my YouTube friends, if you own drugs or something like that, drugs are just wrong. Drugs are bad, and just don't do drugs. Well, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.